So in this video, I just have something real small to say, because yesterday I had a huge fuck up issue where all my plans basically were destroyed. So if you can see my eyes, like, it was a really stressful night. What happened is I posted a comment in my Facebook group yesterday that I was not going to do a YouTube video today because I had to launch 26 campaigns. I had made a huge plan for this weekend to pull in like 50 to 20K a day, Saturday and Sunday. And this is now Saturday morning. So what happened when I was building the ads last night, so I made the 26 campaigns, I made the landers, I did all the tracking. When I was setting up the ads, one after another, my ad accounts got banned. So I got 6 ad accounts banned in total, which really sucked, obviously. Like, it's only like 25% of the volume I have, but still, it really got me down. It got me thinking, like, what should I do? So I decided not to launch anything. Like, I got like 3 campaigns approved. And this morning when I woke up, I only made like, I think $1,000, which is like 1/15 of the goal I had, right? But still, we have all of the day. So I told myself, like, just move away from the revenue goal. We can do it next week. Like, it's no biggie. We lose 1 week. Like, the big problem is the ad accounts, right? So I thought myself, right, let's just appeal. So we got that out of the way. The appeals are pending. But let's just write them off. How many accounts do we have left? What can we work with? What is exactly the issue? So I used a new domain and a new setup on Amazon S3. So I just split tested. I just launched some new ads this morning to see where the problem is. And the problem is in my ad copy. So I've been using this ad copy for about 3 months now. It has made me about $200,000. And all of a sudden right now, my ad accounts get banned because of it. So all I know is that later today or tomorrow, I will brainstorm some new ad copy and I can still launch the campaigns. I can still use all my hard work I put in. So I just want to tell you guys, like, the setbacks with ad account bans, with ads not getting approved, with other headache stuff, it comes and goes. That's what business is. And I was really down yesterday evening and I could really relate to the people who feel that way. But right now I was just like, yesterday I just shut everything down after it happened. I was just like, let's just take a breather. Let's just not do anything right now because, like, you're emotional, you're like irritated. So let's just watch a movie, go to bed. And then when we wake up, we're fresh, maybe still a little bit agitated, but let's just reevaluate everything and then go about it that way. And that's what I did and worked out really well. So for everybody struggling, even like the bigger players, they even have more struggles. More money, more problems. That is 100% true. Every time I gain more revenue, I gain more problems as well. But it's only how you personally let yourself affect by these problems. There's no issue with, like, you should take these things into consideration, but like, don't say like, oh, just shrug it off. No, it's a big issue. However, don't get emotionally attached to the process. Like what has told me this, like, I wanted to do 1 million in sweepstakes, but maybe I'm going to call it at maybe like 700K and move on to something else. Like, there's so many options, there's so many things to do. I might even branch out to another traffic source. Why? Because it gives more certainty. Like, I just dropped from like 5K a day to like 1K today so far. Probably I will close today at like 2.5K, which is half of what I normally do, or what I was expecting to do. So in that sense, you just gotta stay positive, gotta work with it, gotta hate the process right now, and in 1 week from today, you'll laugh it off as like the business struggle. So I wanted to just make this video for you guys, just to let you guys know that I've been working hard. It's not been paying off at all, but we're just going to be persistent, going to push through, going to think of new ideas. And I'll probably not launch anything today. I'll probably wait until tomorrow just to think it over really well. And then tomorrow I will try something. If it doesn't work, then Monday. There's no rush. I am not in a rush. I'm just impatient, that's all. So I hope you guys can relate to this, maybe right now or later on, that it's not always going to be sunshine. Probably 80% of the time is going to be shit. But you cannot have the big ups if you don't have the downs as well. So thank you guys for watching. I will make a longer video tomorrow, obviously. But I'll see you guys soon.